Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from China. This is Yibin Burning Dry Noodle, hot and spicy flavor. You'd think that if it was burning and dry, it'd probably be hot and spicy. Well, they gotta throw that at the end. So, let us deconstruct and create. Here is the box. I'm pretty dang sure this came from, what do you call it? Place in Canada called Smart and Save. One of my absolute now all-time favorite places to find noodles, which is rad, you know. I've been in this noodle reviewing game for a long time, and when all of a sudden there's like a new place to find noodles that I really like, that's rad, you know. That's not, doesn't happen every day. Yeah. Kind of a somber day here at World Headquarters. Our pug Otis he's old, he's 16, he's got a lot of things wrong with him, and I have a feeling he's my wife's dog, and it's kinda, he's gotta go. Like in a way that is permanent, if you catch my drift. She's pretty bummed, but it's like he's pretty unhappy right now. He's got heart failure. There we go. He's got heart failure. He's 16. That's pretty old for a pug, I guess. I don't know much about it, but that's what I always hear is like, oh, that's old for a pug. And yeah, it's just a bummer though, because she had another dog, Daisy, and she had to put her down a year or two ago, so that was really hard on her. But it's to the point now that he might not be in all that much pain, but he's got this tumor situation that it's just, there's not going to be any kind of good ending at all. So, before he gets into a point where he's like in a lot of pain. But it's a bummer, you know? But, yeah. It's been kind of coming up to this. He won't go outside. He'll go inside. It's to the point that you can't have him like out in the living room. He can be behind the gate in here, and then he's got to spend most of the time in the crate because he'll just like spontaneously explode out his butt, or just stop, and even though we just took him out, just start peeing on the carpet for no reason other than that he's losing control. So anyways, enough about that. Just kind of like, if you're wondering, wow, why does the Ramen Raider seem less upbeat today? That's why, you know. He's out on the deck right now. And he's always been kind of a dummy. He needs to go over in the shade, I think. But yeah, he just had an explosion in the bedroom. I was like, okay, it's one of the kids. They're having lunch. I'll quickly tend to that. It was neither of the kids, and then all of a sudden in my head, I'm like, oh God, no. So I go in there, and he's sitting in the crate, and he's like sitting in his poo, and it's all gross and nasty, and yeah. Anyways, so what is going on other than that? Got 3 reviews I'm doing today, so I'll end up closing out this week with the most reviews I've done in a week in a long time. That'll be 12. I did an unboxing video and edited 2 videos yesterday, and so it would have been 15, but I'm just like, I gotta get video done. But yeah, back to doing 3. And Miles is going to be going back to school pretty quick here, so it's like I've got to try to ratchet the timing. Like right now, he would be in school, and she's been down for a nap for about, I'd say about 45 minutes. So obviously I'd be getting to cooking noodles a lot quicker. I had that aforementioned to tend to. But yeah, I'll I think the first day I'll probably try doing 1 review, second day I'll try doing 2, third day I'll try doing 3. And just see if it works out, whichever one works best. I have a feeling I'm just going to be doing 2 reviews a day. Alright, so burning, burning, burning. Here are the noodles. They're non-fried noodles, and they're pretty thick. I've had something like this before, and I remember not really being that big of a fan of it, so I'm hoping it'll be decent. I really didn't realize that this was that brand. I thought it was something else. Actually, no, I had the, what do you call it, like a green onion one from them. I think that might have been soy sauce. Either that or sesame oil. And then there's this sachet, a large sachet, and it says Joy Share on there. And the other side has a very, that's Chinesey. I feel bad. Usually I'm way more animated, but you know, it's just kind of a downer. I think it's the right thing to do for him, that's for sure. But the main thing that's getting me down is I'm just thinking about my wife. She had her pugs since they were puppies. So it's like very, very hard. Comes this stuff. Wow, that does not smell good. That doesn't smell like something I really want to taste. But you know, I will. God, this looks like a nightmare. But, oh, it's starting to smell better. Watch, it'll end up being like, oh dude, this is like the best thing ever. It happens. And sometimes it doesn't. The burning aspect doesn't really want to hang out. And I think this is going to be sesame seeds. I'm kind of curious. That was really lame. They're peanuts, and the packaging kind of exploded. I'll sprinkle those on top when I plate it. I know what peanuts taste like, but alright, let's give this bizarre looking doesn't want to mix in all that well. Fiesta a try. Ugh. Gadzooks. Well, it's a burning, and that is very dry. I'm talking like obscenely dry. Yes, I find that really not my thing. A lot of Szechuan pepper, which is alright, but it's like it needs salt. But I'm sure this has like a bazillion zilligrams of saltitude. One more bite. Yuck. That has that self-cooking hot pot kind of funk to it that I really dislike. A lot of oil going on there. Yeah, that's not my pleasure center. There you go. Peanuts. Let's try it with the peanuts. It helps a micro amount. Yeah. Yeah, no. This one is definitely... Man, I've done a lot of reviews this week, and generally it takes like months before I hit zeros. So this is the second zero for this week. Yeah, I really don't like that at all. So yeah, no. This has been Odds Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I don't like these. Bye.